Today I needed to replace this old piece of wood with something cool. Alright, I'm just trying to elevate this video because I made a laptop stand. I have two laptops, one for work and one for, well, stupid stuff like this. So I went to Fusion 360, not to 360s, not Tony Hawk, and I designed up some quick legs, mostly because I did not like the idea of that couple pieces of wood slapped together, and I wanted something, I don't know, different. I'll put this model on my Thingiverse. It uses a 1/2 inch plywood. That's what I used, or any type of 1/2 inch thick wood. And this is designed for the length that I needed, but if people are interested, I can make it longer, or we can make it modifiable. I'll fix that. So I printed some stuff out. I just made one, made it reversible. I have places where cords can come in and out, and then simply, yep, you know, if you don't hold that, it won't stand up. Oh well. So then I just needed to rip down a piece of, I don't even know what this is, some sort of wood that a woodworker could probably identify that I can't, just to make a little trim piece for the front. So all this extra work to cover up the plywood, because I don't have any edge bending, because, well, I'm not a woodworker. But look at me spread that glue. Look at that. And not only that, I even overdid it with clamps. And when I mean overdid it, for a piece of wood that really is not going to hold much more than what's a laptop weigh anymore, 2-3 pounds. But I really wanted this to look nice. I may have spent more time on this piece of wood than I did the last piece of furniture I built. Look at that. There's another clamp. What? Another clamp? And then brad nails? What is this thing gonna hold? An engine? Nope. It's not gonna hold the clamps either. And I finally said good enough. So obviously stained sand. And then the way to make it fit within these 3D printed things without adding a fastener, I simply polyurethane them in. After this dried, it actually was quite stable. The polyurethane, I don't know if it made the wood expand or just the polyurethane itself, but it works quite well, and I've had no issues, and it's extremely solid. So I got it all in place, and you know, I realized I needed to build one more thing for it. Works fine as a stand, and this is all because I wanted it to be easier to get to my personal computer, so I could just pull it off the desk, because this desk actually slides out. It's got a hidden compartment in it. I built it a long time ago. I think there's a video of it on my Instagram if you're interested, but I've got this USB thing that was in the way, and I needed to make a little holder for it because I used the same keyboard and mouse. So went to Fusion 360, imported the picture, measured everything out, and made a little holder. Isn't this exciting? Not really, but it's useful. And if you don't have a 3D printer, get one. They're not that expensive, and the learning curve isn't that high. I'm just being facetious, of course, but I really enjoy them, and you can make little holders for your USB expansion that makes your life easier, because we're changing the world here. This right there solves everything. Look at that. And it actually snaps in. Snap. I turned off the sound, but snap. So quick paint job on that to match the legs, and it's done. A custom laptop holder thingy, stand thing. I don't know, this is what I do with my time. I make videos and silly things because I can't sit still. I'll put the links down below. Models will be on Thingiverse. If you make one, tag me and let me see it. Talk to you later.